Bridget here. So today, I thought we'll do something different. Instead of a Junglee Pulao with rice, I thought we'd just do a Junglee Pulao using vermicelli. So it's actually a very easy recipe because it being jungly, you can use whatever ingredients are there in your fridge. And you just don't have to worry about, proper ingredients or proper measurements. So I trust that you would like this recipe and try it out for yourselves. So let's get started. So as I said, very simple ingredients are required for this Junglee Pulao with vermicelli. You would need 2 cups of roasted vermicelli. You could roast in a pan or in the microwave. Then you need 1 onion which is chopped, 2 or 3 green chillies chopped. Then ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, and some garam masala powder along with turmeric, and cinnamon, cloves, cardamoms, salt, some coconut milk, and oil, and of course chopped onions, chopped coriander. So what you do is you fry your onions and your tomatoes, coriander, spices and everything together. You don't have to brown the onions first. You keep frying till the tomatoes turn soft. Okay, fry it really well because I want the mass to get the flavor of the cinnamon and cloves and the cardamom. So you go on frying for quite some time till your tomatoes turn soft. Then you add in your 1/4 cup of coconut milk and give it a stir. And then what you could do is add like 2 cups of water to dilute the coconut milk and bring this to boil. Let it really come to a boil, and when it's bubbling well, at this stage you can add in your roasted vermicelli and mix well. Okay, so you mix well and then you cook on medium to low heat till the vermicelli is cooked and all the water, the liquid is absorbed. Have patience till it gets to a dry consistency, and once it reaches that stage where you see that all the liquid is dried up, turn off the gas. Don't cook it more because it will become too soft, and then you just cover it and keep it for like 10 minutes. Okay, you could see that it's reached the stage where all the water is absorbed. Okay. So now, as I said, you could just cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. So now your Junglee Pulao with vermicelli is ready. You could use a fork to separate the strands of vermicelli. It's quite delicious, and you can serve with any salad or with just chopped onions and lime pickle. Goes really well. So if you like this video, please like and share it. Do tell your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and take care. God bless.